This is Cutico. See that dog over there? That's Cutico. And that is Maki. See that is Cutico. See, it's digging. Look at that. She is digging. And he's running towards here. This is Cutie. This is cute. No? And there she goes. Let's follow her. Thank you for that nice comment. Look at that. Now, Cutie will go for a splash. Agam gi kadra, Cutie. Magbong ka. Ha? April 5. Ay. Monday. This is Cutie. See that is Cutie. Let's follow her again. This is a view of Dakota. So nice. And that one over there is a ship. See that? Do you see a ship? Yeah, I see a ship also.
Kaning, over there. There's a fish. The fish up there. Oh, there, it's smoking.
There's the ship.
Oh, madulas yan.
Oh.
Diretso ka doon. Malalim pa naman yun doon. Kitang-kita ang lalim. Sige ko.
Narabat. Oo, nako yun naitain na.
Yeah.
Lagi.
Yan nakaisero.
Iro.
Namu, nga ito, may directing din. Tara.
Sige, madulas ka dyan. Ayun na, alam.
Sorry. Mami!
Uy.
Very well, that's the ship. You can see it from here. Oh. There you are, making towards these people. All the way to them. Eh, coming na si Mami.
Check ba?
Ha?
Ako, uy. Kuya.
Ha?
Kaning.
Eh, stop.
Kaning.
Tawanan.
Kaning.
Eh. Indra.
Crab.
Crab. Eh, crab ana.
Kaning, tara, oh. Bato, oh.
Klaro eh. And here's the sunrise.
Uy, nakaisa, oh.
As you can see, this is the sunrise.